Hello, I'm Brenda with Blessings and Bread. Welcome to my porch. Today I wanted to make just a short video to just share a few things about who I am uh, on this channel and why I've decided to do a YouTube channel. Um, I've been working on this for a while and wasn't too sure how it would go, but it's going really well and I think I'm going to continue. So I thought I would just make this short video about who I am and why I decided to do this. Um, I grew up on a farm in Northeast Texas um, and was kind of a farm girl. We had a big garden. We always worked in the garden. Uh, my grandparents would have a big garden and we would sometimes go help them. I can remember helping them dig potatoes. And so I've just always loved gardening and also cooking and preserving food. My mom taught us to cook when we were young, and we also helped her with the preserving of the fruits and vegetables from her garden. So it's something I learned at a young age. And then another thing I did when I was young, maybe even as young as 9 or 10 years old, they started a 4 H club at my school, and I joined that. And I loved 4 H. I loved the program, I loved everything about it. And of course, one of my big projects was food and nutrition, and then also food preservation. Those were two of my big projects. So I loved doing all of that kind of thing from an early age. And in fact, by the time I was 14, I had decided that what I wanted to do was major in home economics at college and to someday maybe become a county extension agent. Now, I find that many people don't even know what a county extension agent is, but in almost every state, um, every county, or sometimes now I think counties may share an agent, but uh, there are agents that are educators that are there to help the people in the community to learn about uh, food and nutrition and all things to do with the home, really. They also operate the 4 H program, which is probably where I was wanting to do as a young adult, is to maybe be the person who kind of helped to organize and keep the 4 H program running. And county extension agents are still in existence today. But in my life, I never got to do that. It wasn't God's plan. It's what I wanted, but it wasn't His plan. My backup plan was to be a homemaking teacher. And so I did get to do that, but only 4 years of my life. Uh, I ended up meeting during college a young seminary student who was attending a seminary about 50 miles from Stephen F. Austin, go Lumberjacks, where I went to college. And I met him, and we married shortly after college. And I've been a pastor's wife ever since then. So for 46 years, 45, I've lost count. That's terrible, isn't it? We were married in '79, so that makes it 45 years, I think. You do the math. But anyway, we've been married a long time, and I've been a pastor's wife all those years, and that's been a blessed life too, and a blessing to do that. But we've moved around frequently, and by doing that, basically, even the homemaking jobs were not available. There was always, a hometown girl or somebody who grew up in the community that usually was getting that one little position that was there. And then, as y'all know, homemaking, they've dropped it from a lot of the curriculum, which is really sad to me. So I really went back to college, got a master's in elementary education, and basically I taught elementary school all the way through middle school throughout my teaching career. So I ended up being just a teacher overall. But now that I'm retired, I just thought I wonder if I could do a YouTube channel. So I've started and I'm trying. I tried to do a blog about 10 years ago, uh, but things got in the way and I didn't do that well. So I'm trying again. And this time I'm going to go the YouTube route and we'll see how this goes. And I thank everybody who's been watching. I've really been overwhelmed by how well it has done. Um, it's just blowing my mind because I'm definitely not very digitally uh, good at digital things. I'm learning um, a lot, and I certainly don't know how to make sure my channel does well. I'm just going to depend on you guys and the good Lord because uh, I just want to be able to teach homemaking skills and enjoy that. And I kind of feel like finally I'm getting my chance to be that homemaking teacher or that homemaking educator that I wanted to be early in my life. And now I'm just having fun doing it this way. And then the preacher's side, wife side of me has decided to share also a few devotional talks as well. And we'll just see how this all goes. I'm still brand new. I don't think I have but about 7 videos up at this point. So I hope you'll come on this journey with me and let's see where it'll go. So thank you. If you'd like to, you can subscribe to my channel and thank you for joining me. I will see you next time. I'm on my porch, in my kitchen, or in my garden.